Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video of the Accessory. Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video on the Accessory. And the weekend is here, people. I'm going to be all with you all over the weekend. Jackie, I'm going to be hanging out. I'm going to chill afterwards, continue my birthday celebration. And with that being said, let's check out this awesome dress down casual watch face. Now, this one is coming from KDW, and the guy does awesome work on some nice casual digital watch faces. Now, the name of this one is called Half03. Now, in the AOD mode, you are going to get a nice look so far as your background and your digital time. Once the watch face is on, very simplistic. This is not a fitness watch face, but it's still not a bad look at all. Now, if you look at the top, you will get the day of the week. You will get your date information. You come down, you are going to get a nice big bold legible digital time, and down up under that you're going to get your battery percentage. Now, if you look at the index, right, it's yellow. You got a nice floating second hand that's cruising around the bezel of the watch. Now, if you look at the background, if you've seen it, it changed from side to side. One side is going to be shaded down, and the other side is going to be a light color or whatever color that it's going to change to. Now, this one, the watch face will change colors weekly, right? I do like that. I prefer it to change daily, especially if I'm going to wear it through the work week. Now, you can customize the color thing by simply double tapping. And if I'm not mistaken, you get about 8 colors in all. And just tap till you get to the one you like. And he gives a few different nice colors. Not bad at all. I mean, not bad at all for a casual wear. But the question is, at the end of the day, people, what do you think? All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I drop more videos on this channel. All right, you all, go ahead, continue to enjoy your weekend. Have some fun. Enjoy family and friends. But most of all, be safe. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.